Hey guys, today's video is going to be a Poshmark Q&A. I am filming two videos back to back. I got a sleeping baby in my, oh geez, I said that and he's gonna wake up. He's gonna wake up. He's gonna wake up. Yeah, I got a almost kind of sort of sleeping baby in my arms. If you hear little grunts and noises, that's him. Hey girl, I have watched all your videos about Poshmark and love them. So much great info you give everyone. Thanks so much. I really appreciate it. I have a question. Sometimes when I'm listing an item, I'll get a message that says error processing image. Please reselect images and try again. When I go to actually list the items, when I go to actually list the listing, this message pops up. I can never figure out what this means and also have to start over with that listing. So annoying. Has this happened to you? If so, is there a way to save my draft still without losing all my listing info and pictures? What do you do? Help, LOL, thank you. So is this happening on your computer or on your phone? I've never had that happen to me. If you're getting something that says error processing image, maybe it's in the wrong format, like the image isn't in the right format. That's all I can think of. Does this happen often to you, or was it just a one-time thing? If it's just a one-time thing, I wouldn't worry about it. But if it happens often, yeah, maybe it's the type of image. You are able to create drafts and save drafts. So yes, you would be able to save all of that without having to keep redoing it. But yeah, I'd be curious to know if this is on your phone or on your computer. I'm guessing it's probably on your computer. If you're watching this video, comment down below and let me know. Next question, I would like to know why the hell people bundle a single item but then do absolutely nothing with it. No offer, no counter offer to anything I send. No response to any comments I leave on the bundle trying to try and communicate. This happens so often that when I see the message pop up in my notifications that someone has added an item to a bundle, I don't even get a flutter of excitement anymore. In fact, my reaction is, ugh, not again, because I know it's most likely going nowhere. Just wondering what the thought process is behind bundling items if they have no intent of purchasing. Why not just stick with liking it in order to save it for later and keep track of it? So yes, that happens to me often as well. I think it's just people that don't know how to work the Poshmark. I think it's just people that don't know what that feature is for. Of course, there probably are some people that, put things in bundles with no intent of purchasing it. I don't know why, or maybe, they wanted to purchase it and, they changed their mind. There could be many, many, many reasons. I think the majority of people just don't know how Poshmark works. I know I have to remind myself, not everyone knows, exactly how Poshmark works. Not everyone knows all the features and stuff. So yeah, that's one thing I keep in mind when I get frustrated about little things like that. Although I'm not calling it a little thing, it is annoying because it does happen to me. And that happens with me, not just with people that leave bundles. I get people all the time that just don't communicate. They'll like things. They just like things because they think, it's like Instagram and, if you see a shirt that you like it. That doesn't mean you want to buy it. So, you just gotta realize that, what is going on out there? You just gotta realize my kids are raiding the pantry right now. I can hear them. What was I saying? You just have to realize that not everyone knows all the features of Poshmark and how it works. So you have to just let some things slide sometimes and not get too upset over it. And this question is kind of similar. It says, someone for over a year now constantly likes items from my closet and doesn't ever buy or respond to message bundles I send them. Hold on. Is this the same person? No, not the same person. I stopped sending direct offers early on so I don't bother with them, but they waste my time when I look at a new heart and realize it's her again. Don't send an offer. So I'm thinking of blocking her for my own sanity, but feel bad. What would you do? Yeah, I mean, that's kind of weird. Have you messaged them? Hold on, I messaged bundles I sent to them. Yeah. Have you messaged her and said, or him, and said, I see you're liking a lot of things. Do you want to purchase anything? You've been doing this for a while. Do you not know how Poshmark works? Have you come out and asked them that, or have you just sent them offers? I'm curious to know. So yeah, I would message them and say exactly that. Hey, I see you've been liking my things for a while now. If you want to purchase anything, I'll give you a deal. And then if they don't reply back to that, then yeah, I mean, maybe I'd block them because it is annoying to get 50 notifications in a row that somebody liked all your things when 9 times out of 10, they're not gonna purchase all those 50 things. Although I have had 2 instances where somebody bought 25 things and then somebody else bought 26 things. So I can't say it never happens, but majority of the time when somebody likes, you know, a shit ton of your items, they're not going to buy all of them. And again, it does get annoying to get all those notifications, I agree. So yeah, I would reach out to them and just ask them, you know, what the deal is. And then if they don't reply, I would maybe block them. Next question. How long does it take you to bulk list 30 items? It took me 2 hours to list 8 items and I was over it. LOL. Do you have any tips for bulk listing? 2 hours to list 8 items? That's a long time. It takes me like, I don't know, 2 minutes to list an item. Are you talking about like photographing? And yeah, it takes me, I would say like 2 to 3 minutes to photograph and list an item. What are you doing that takes, hold on, 2 hours? Oh my gosh. So wait. Let's do some math. 15 minutes to list one item. Yeah, I don't know. Comment down below if you're watching this video and let me know like what you do. Cause again, even when yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to think of what I do. Even when I do measurements and stuff, it literally only takes me 2 to 3 minutes. Are you talking about photographing and listing? Because again, yeah, it takes me like 2 to 3 minutes to do each one. As far as any tips for bulk listing, when it comes time for me to photograph and list, I do just that. I focus on just that. I don't let anything distract me. You know, I have things ready to go. I have everything set up and I just do it. Time is money. So yeah, I definitely think that there's probably things that you're doing where you could be definitely more efficient. So comment down below if you're watching this. What's your name? Stephanie. Yeah, Stephanie, comment down below if you're watching this and let me know like what you do when you list. One more question. You guys, I literally am scrolling through hundreds of pictures. Do you know how many pictures I've taken of this baby? He is not even 3 weeks old and he has literally like 3,000 pictures. Actually, I took a screenshot of this. I was going to mention it in another video, but I might as well just mention it in this video. So I don't know whose Instagram this was. Who was it? Oh, Wicked Lynn's _ Posh on Instagram. I'll link her Instagram and her Poshmark closet down below. But she posted in her stories that she got an email from Poshmark. I think they like deleted one of her listings. I don't know the specifics, but basically she had the words sold out in her listing. I'm looking at the email from Poshmark. It says, thank you for writing to us. Oh wait, I don't know if this was her because this has a different name on the email. So maybe this didn't happen to her, but she reposted this on her stories, so I'm going to give her credit for it. But it says, thank you for writing to us. We're so sorry about the confusion caused. We looked into your account to see that a listing contained a trigger word, sold out. Although sold out is 2 words, so that would be trigger words. Huh, Poshmark? Due to this, your listing is no longer visible to potential buyers, even though it is available for sale. We request you to kindly remove the word sold out so that it is up again for sale. We hope this clears up your concern. So apparently Poshmark has trigger words that you can't use. I'm going to look into this more and I will make a whole separate video talking about this. But yeah, don't use the word sold out, I guess, because it's a trigger word and Poshmark doesn't like that. I don't know. I don't understand the reasoning. But yeah, like I said, I will look into this and let you guys know what the deal is. And the last question. Hey, question. During the Poshmark parties, do you share only the available items or you share a couple of sold items just because you had that specific brand or category? Pure curiosity. Keep doing the good work. Love your attitude. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you too, Carmen. So I don't think you're able to share sold listings to a party. I could be wrong. I wish there was a party going on right now, but there isn't. But I will, when I'm editing this video, I'll try to share a sold listing to a party and I'll let you guys know for sure. But I'm like 99% sure that you can't share a sold listing to a party. I know for me personally, if I'm browsing through a party, I'm not going to tap on a sold listing. So I don't know. I'm just going by what I would do, I guess, in that instance. So yeah, I don't think I would share a sold listing, even if you could. Actually, now that I say that, I know you can share a sold listing in your closet. So maybe you can share a sold listing to a party. Again, I'm going to have to research this when there's a party going on. And I will put something on the screen and let you guys know. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. Can you guys hear my snoring little man? He's snoring. Oh, there he is. His hat's falling off. Yeah, I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. I'm losing my voice because I've been talking for so long, and because I had to read my girls like 37 books before bed last night. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.